Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food. Now today let's make something that is most searched on YouTube, a quick biryani. Biryani is a rice and chicken or meat that is cooked together, put into layers, and it is eaten all over the world. That is one of the most eaten food. First thing we need to do is marinate the chicken. So we put in, this is about 500 grams of chicken. I'm going to put in some salt, some turmeric, some chili powder, some fried onion, ginger garlic paste, curd, little bit of oil to keep your chicken succulent, some tomatoes, the biryani masala of your choice. I'm using this one, you could use any one. Marinate this nicely with your hands. Keep this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's add some oil, add some ghee, add some whole spices. There is cardamom, green cardamom, black cardamom, shah jeera, clove, cinnamon, pepper. We put all that into the oil. Put potatoes and fry them till they are a little golden brown. Potatoes have got color. Now we'll add in our masala into it. Now we need to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes, covered till it's done on medium flame. Now this is a long grain basmati rice that I soaked for about 20 minutes. My water is boiling. Let it come to a rolling boil. Add some ghee into it. Add some whole spices. Add some salt. Add your rice to it. And this needs to cook 80%. We need to add extra salt in the rice. Now let's check our rice for its doneness. It needs to get cooked 80%. Yes, it's done. Now we'll strain. Let's strain our rice. A biryani has 3 parts to it. Cooking the rice, cooking the chicken or mutton, whatever, and layering it. Now we'll start layering it. Our chicken is done perfectly. Let's put in the rice. The rice is strained. Sprinkle some salt. Some biryani masala. Some ghee. This is a mixture of milk, some rose water, some ittar, and food color. You can avoid the food color. Let's add this. Then some fried onion. Now cook it covered for 8 minutes on high and about 2 to 3 minutes on low, and your biryani will be done to perfection. Biryani is done to perfection, decorated with mint leaves and some fried onions. Biryani lovers, do let me know how you like it. Okay. Bye for now, and do subscribe to our channel.